Samsung's Galaxy S26 phones are almost here, arriving in late February according to the most recent leaks. But is Samsung bringing anything new to its next flagship smartphones? Well, apart from the obvious redesign of the back camera module and the slightly more rounder corner of the S26 Ultra, here are 6 major changes coming with the lineup. First is a superb Exynos processor. Hearing the word Exynos makes many Samsung fans shiver, but the company has made excellent progress on its super-capable 2nm Exynos 2600 processor. According to the most recent reports, the Exynos 2600 is ready and will be used in certain regions for the entire Galaxy S26 series next year. Thanks to its 2nm architecture, the Exynos 2600 is so powerful that it beats the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, as well as Apple's A19 Pro in several tests. Real-life performance, of course, remains to be seen, but Samsung is confident that the Exynos 2600 will change your perception towards Exynos chips. Second on the list is a new privacy display. Samsung is adding a privacy display hardware in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Evidence from multiple sources points to the Galaxy S26 Ultra being able to hide the contents on its display from prying eyes. The phone can automatically detect when you're using sensitive apps and hides the display from people glancing at your screen. You'll even be able to manually activate it as well, or choose which apps should and should not be protected. Number 3 is better photography in low-light conditions. The cameras on the series flagships have remained mostly similar in their ability to capture pictures for the last few generations, but Samsung is aiming to improve that next year with wider apertures on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Leaked Galaxy S26 Ultra designs shows a protruding camera island on the rear of the phone, which, according to some sources, is so that the phone can include larger apertures. While the sensors will likely remain the same, they will be able to capture more light, hence improving photography in challenging lighting conditions. However, Samsung's vice president of the mobile division, Daniel Araujo, claimed that the Galaxy S26 would have new camera sensors during the Q3 earnings call. Which of the sensors might be seeing an upgrade isn't confirmed just yet, but I'll definitely let you know once we get new information. Moving on, number 4 on the list is faster charging speed. According to earlier leaks, the charging speeds on the Galaxy S26 Ultra is finally seeing an improvement next year. Chinese smartphones have been hitting charging speeds of over 100 watts consistently, and Samsung and Apple have been lagging far behind. But Samsung is ditching its current 45 watts of wired charging speeds in favor of 60 watts faster charging speeds. While not nearly as impressive as some of the phones coming out of China, it's still a very positive sign that the company is moving in the right direction. In addition, the S26 Ultra will also come with faster Qi 2 wireless charging up to 25 watts, as well as built-in magnet for accessories. Next stop is better AI experience, which is number 5 on the list. Not many consumers care about AI on their smartphones at the moment, but for those who do, the Galaxy S26 series will revolutionize the user experience. That is according to the aforementioned Daniel Araujo. AI on the Galaxy S26 series will apparently be user-centric, which, in simpler terms, hopefully means that the AI will be proactive in suggesting actions and tasks instead of waiting for the user's input. There might also be more cool AI features exclusive to the Galaxy flagships coming next year, but it's hard to say for now because there's not been a single leak regarding this aspect yet, so let's wait and see. And finally, the return of the Plus model. Whether the Galaxy S26 Edge has been completely cancelled or not isn't entirely clear yet. There are so many conflicting reports concerning this matter, but it does ultimately seem that the previously thought to be cancelled Galaxy S26 Plus is now back on track, meaning Samsung will launch the base, Plus, and Ultra models as with tradition. Battery life concerns, especially for that price, have meant that the Galaxy S25 Edge didn't perform well. Its successor was apparently going to see an improvement in battery capacity next year, but Samsung seems to be backpedaling hard. Maybe the Edge will return a few years or even months down the road when Samsung has finally adopted silicon-carbon batteries for its phones. But at the moment, it seems the Plus model has secured its spot in the lineup for the time being at least. The Galaxy S26 series will be unveiled in late February, but until then, do consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated with every new development, and don't forget to turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.